correct. So we have 10 o'clock news right here. 9:30 opens up. Take out this high. There's no SMT here anymore. Let's see what happens from now on. Much better. Uh-huh. Okay, so not convinced about this. I think price is gonna come back. Go lower before we go higher. Yeah, we might tap into this. Go lower. Something I wanna see something like this if we had to go higher. So the daily bias for me right now is it's pretty bullish considering we covered up this gap pretty well. We went down to it yesterday, fulfilled everything, so the only thing left is to take out this and trade through this gap, which price came back to 2 days ago. So yeah, if it does, then ES will also take out this high. Mm, the reason I'm mostly bullish is because the 4-hour time frames, we have this inversion and we are respecting 50% of this gap, so the consequent encroachment is, you can see how price just closes one back and one back above. If this candle closes here, then we are most definitely gonna be bullish, so I'll most probably wait until this candle closes 23 minutes from now, because it's a 4-hour candle closing. So but if you want to take a trade before that, which I don't recommend anyways, because exactly in 25 minutes we have news, so it's going to be interesting to see where the candle takes us. Yeah, bias was bullish, so but yeah, we're just running through this low resistance liquidity. We took this out, but we're also creating a shit ton of low resistance liquidity on the way down. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. This is a bunch of chop, upward chop. So on ES we have this highest taken out. Yeah, we don't here, so there's a bit of an SMT. Not really sure what price is gonna do for now. Doesn't really seem like the best conditions to trade in. For me, it doesn't seem like the best. It seems a bit unclear where price is gonna go next. Cause my main draw was this. It was, wait, where is it? Yeah, my main draw was to come here. Why here? Because you can see that we have a bit of a gap here. It's a void. There are no candle closures inside this, so I wanted to see a candle closure here. So, and because we were at the point where this was almost gotten inversed, I knew this was the next row. So yeah, this is good. mm, would that have been a good long? Maybe not for me anyways. I don't think that was a good one because there was no manipulation, like there's nowhere price went down, didn't grab any liquidity. This doesn't really count. Yeah, so and there's no fair value gaps anyway here. The only one we have is here, and it's a bit of a choppy inversion. It's not even in the same leg. And then we don't have any inversions before we go up, so my entry model is an inversion. If I don't have one, I don't take a trade. Simple as that. Okay, you can see price is rejecting off that point, but what I want to see is a downward movement like this, probably running this low resistance. Maybe I know it's not gonna run the whole thing. It might, but I don't expect it to because my bias is still bullish, so I expect it to maybe run until here and then come back and then have a candle closure somewhere in this area, so that it's not just the wicks closing here on this 4 hour. Like I want a candle closure between this. Yeah, that's my theory, so I don't know how it's gonna go. We'll just have to wait and see. 10 o'clock news is not just any news today, it's PMI, so you have to be very careful when trading PMI. Price is gonna have a shit ton of volatility at that time, so how do I change that? Did that not help it? I'm new to this. I don't know what I'm doing. Streaming bitrate. Yep. We need. Yeah, we. Stream settings. Everything seems fine. Back to so yeah, if you back to so yeah, let's just get all this junk out of the way. Okay, so we reached everything I wanted to. Is it good to look for shorts? Maybe. We don't even have an unfilled 15 minutes, so maybe we will go till here before we see one. We didn't tap the unfilled 15-minute, right? Oh, we slightly did on yes. Did we? Yeah, we're way past the point on yes. So it's not a matter of. Yep, this is what I wanted to see. Perfect. Bullish PD arrays are being respected, so we're still in the buy model. Breakout traders. Oh shit. See how this goes. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not taking stupid trades. This could work, but I'm not taking it. Uh-huh. I need like a solid feel of where the market's going today. So if not, I won't be taking any trades. It's useless taking a trade if I don't know where price is headed. For each trade, I will be risking about. I'm keeping my risk at 450. Yeah, 450, 500. And depending on whether it's sensible to keep a stop loss somewhere like here or somewhere like here instead. So depending on that. Okay, so pretty sure that's gonna get run through. We don't have an SMT. $12. If you got 12 minutes for this candle to close, 4-hour candle to close. I think we also have 12 minutes until high impact news. So, yep, 12 minutes to impact. Why don't I have my news on my screen? I think it's actually good to have that. latest news. Is it this one? No. So it might be this one, right? It doesn't show it here. Okay, so now we have a bit of an SMT. I doubt this is gonna hold. More US S&P PMI services. What's that about? They're blaming the weather for the bad growth? Okay. We do have an SMT now. So I'm not doing anything. Yes, ES is dropping, but this is most likely the manipulation, like higher. Why? Because it's like right before news. You don't take the move right before news. Definitely not. And if we do go higher, we can have these targets. We'll see. I don't know. There just isn't any fucking targets to take right now. And after this candle closes, if this isn't closed, we can take a short to this, but even for that we have to close like somewhere here. Otherwise the RR is not gonna be good. 9 minutes till impact. So yeah. Pre-market scenario. That's the unfilled 15 minutes that's gonna form if we close here. And we have one here as well. Yes, traded into that. Maybe we'll get a second entry to fully cover that unfilled 15. But yeah, I won't be taking any shots. This doesn't seem logical. Yeah, that's the 15. We still have it. Still have the gap. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's pretty likely that we run over this, at least some of this low resistance. Maybe London session lows will be taken out. Sorry, not London. This is London session lows. Yeah, like, come on. It's a miracle if this doesn't get hit. I might have to flip my bias to bearish, I don't know yet. But for now I will not be taking any trade to any upside. Also stream health is good. Stream health is excellent. Gap's pretty much closed, and we already have an SMT, so I'm still not gonna be taking any of these trades. We have this old bullish fair value gap that got respected, that just got disrespected. So like a good shot would be like, let's say from here to here. Let's see. Personally, like I'd want to enter here and put the stop loss here. Like this would be fine. Yeah, this would be fine. Yeah. No fair value gaps, bro. What the fuck? We have a 2 minute. Perfect. We have two minutes. That's what we need. I'm just gonna remove this. It's annoying to have so much stuff on your screen. I always wonder how people focus when there's so much shit on the screen. Lines everywhere, PD arrays everywhere. It's so much more chill to just have like one or two lines. Okay. If we invert this, then maybe I can take a trade to the upside. If we invert it. Yeah, there just isn't any damn PD array anything. So only thing we got are London lows. But London delivered off of a good high time frame PD array, so I don't see why we would come back. I think this is the low of the day. I think market sentiment seems bullish. Let's see. We have one more thing to try. See the no, not that. Where is the heat map? Yep. Do we have earnings today? I think we have a bunch of earnings. Google is down 6%, Amazon is down 2%, Tesla is down 2%. We have semiconductors up 4, yeah. AMD is down 10%, but Nvidia makes up most of the market, so it's just carrying it. I think, yeah, I think Oracle isn't there. Overall, we're still bullish, even on this, so. Okay, so this is the trade that I said I would probably take. Break even point would be 1 to 1, that would be like here. Yeah, this is most probably going to hit now. Let's see. 1 to 1. already have an SMT here, so let's see. This trade. Yep, I think I would close it here. Just close it at break even. If I took it. I didn't take this, but yeah. It can still work. It just seems very sus. Okay, we are pumping us literally like a minute before news. We are pumping like crazy. Come on. I'm not gonna take a trade even if this inverts right before news. Okay, let's see. 250 is the risk. It's gonna have to be like here. Yeah, would have been a pretty solid trade. Let's see. Yeah, I only went 2 cons on this. Yeah, an SMT below. I like this trade. Let's see. This is gonna be a quick stop out or 1 to 1 would be here. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna move my stop loss to here. Yep, that's good. Feel that this is gonna be a stop run. Come on. Don't reverse on me, puppy. Yep, that is a loss on the first trade, unfortunately. We reversed hard. $51. It's okay, but okay, we ran through a bunch of LR. Are we gonna be bearish? No? Wonder what Tanya Trades is doing.